Hi there, it's Chrissy again from Dragonfly Cards, and I'm going to do a very quick video on embossing, making it look a bit like Banksy. This was the first card that I made, and the brick wall that I did it with snow. I made a stencil and then I put it through my printer. It worked fine. I've tried it a couple of times. It can be a bit hit and miss. I may do a video on that one later. But I came up with a hack that gives you a similar effect, which is this one. So basically you need an image and a embossing folder. So I have these three embossing folders. This was the one that I actually used. Unfortunately, it has no branding on it, so I can't tell you what it is. Somebody might recognize it and be able to put it in the comments below. This one I have had for absolutely yonks, and I think this came from Crafter's Companion. It might have been a Sheena one, I'm not 100% certain. And the most recent one, and the one I'm going to use today, is this one, which is the 3D embossing folder from Sizzix. So first off, what you need to do is you need to print your image, which I've done here. So I've done two. On this one, I've used the image that somebody found on the CAS website, because that's the one that is more viable. I've actually played around with it myself. I've put some decoration on the skirt. I've put some I put shadow on it. Put some little buttons on the back of a skirt, on the back of a top, and some shadowing to look like pleats, but obviously a flat one probably will do just as well. So what you need to do is obviously make it so you can actually get it into your embossing folder. I'm not actually going to emboss it. I do have, so I would put it down, position it in your embossing folder. So make sure you've got it the right way around so the bricks are embossed in. And then run it through your embossing folder, and then what you get is something like this. Now I actually made a mistake and put it in the wrong way, so I put it through again the correct way, and as you can see it's kind of split my card, but that just gives that extra sort of like distressed, it's a graffiti wall, it's on some derelict wall somewhere. Yeah, so basically what I did, and this is what somebody's asked, because they said all they've got is an actual full wall. So basically I just cut and then I just kind of went in and cut where I wanted it to be, just, you know, around the bricks. As I say, it's a pretty rubbish old wall that they've painted this bit of graffiti on, so I won't get too hung up about it. And on the next one I'm going to show you, I'm going to be even more ruthless. So you know, just do where you want to, you know, where you want to go, just go. Bet you're enjoying, it's a lovely sunny day outside here. I hope it is where you are. not very warm, but it's very pleasant. And I think the sun always makes us feel a lot better, doesn't it? Get that vitamin D. Oh, that didn't work. I'm not a very fast cutter, by the way, so forgive me if it's taking forever. I'm sure you can all cut it off, but look, it's not a race. Maybe that's it. So, and then basically, I do have a blank card here somewhere. Here we go. So yeah, and then you just stick it down quite firmly where you want it on your card. So with this one, I thought I'd be a bit more radical. So I sometimes tear my card, and this kind of is a bit quicker than me actually cutting it. You can see what I'm doing. As I said, this is a lot quicker, but you I think it's probably easier as well because I've put it through twice, and yeah. And we'll just take that brick out of there. But yeah, just do your own thing. And again, just stick it down on the card. You can use any image that you want. Obviously, I put the writing on myself, the sentiment on. I just googled graffiti type fonts, and there we go. So there's the two. This one was quicker. This one I cut out. It was a bit laborious. And there you go. So I hope that's helped. Downloading the images, I'm really not going to go through that because you can see that in my other video if you need to. But I hope that's helped, and I'll try and do some more videos as we go along. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye.